Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some happy mail. I received some happy mail from a subscriber and her name is Maria. She said she was a newer subscriber and wanted to send me something and that she'd been really inspired by my video. So I wanted to open it up and share with you guys and just say thank you so much for thinking of me. Look how super cute that little sticker is. So this is her sweet little card. It's a cactus card. And she just says that she is a subscriber for my channel. She loves all my videos and she loves Tuesday morning hauls. And she loves to craft. And she just wanted to send me a little something and just wanted to let me know that she enjoyed watching my videos. So thank you so much. That's so super sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and open up her package. And she's got it wrapped in some really pretty purple tissue. Thank you so much. And I do apologize for not checking my P.O. box sooner. It was overflowing and I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, so she sent me a lip mask, Pucker Up. Look how super cute that is. Thank you so much. Definitely will be trying that. And then she's got a little something right here. So let me open this up. Oh, and it looks like they're just like ephemera pieces. Oh, how pretty. It's a mermaid. Oh, that's cute. So I can use this on a mermaid project. It says love. How pretty. Very pretty. And I love the colors. Very, very nice. And this says thank you and just for you. Oh, that's super sweet. Thank you so much for those goodies. I truly appreciate you sending me something. And then let's see, let me open up the rest, and it looks like she sent a little tag flip. Oh my gosh, look how super pretty. So I don't know if, I think these are maybe just extras in here, but look at that pretty butterfly, and that says get away. And look at that pretty crown. Oh, that's pretty, I love that. How pretty is that? And then she has a handmade little embellishment with a paper clip. Super cute that says hello. And then this little lipstick. How adorable is that? Where did you find that? How super cute. Love it. All right, so she made some tags. So this is the first one. Look how pretty. I love the ribbon and the twine and that beautiful ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And it says, excuse me, it says beauty. Aw, it's so, so pretty. And then she has like an acrylic unicorn. How pretty is that? Love it, girl. Thank you so much. And then she made this one, another really pretty tag with some pretty trim on the top. It's a hot air balloon and she's got a really dainty bow right there. It says let your dreams soar. And then the cute little pom-pom trim on the bottom. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much. So pretty. And then this one right here, look how pretty that is. Oh, I like that cloud. It's like iridescent. And that pretty trim up top with some butterflies. And then there's a lady picking flowers. How super cute. Thank you so much. This was so super sweet of you. I truly appreciate you sending me a little something. And I'm so happy that I am able to inspire you. And I just want to say thank you for supporting my channel. All right, please leave a comment and please tell her what you think of her creativity. I'm sure she'd like to read your comments. Thanks for watching today's video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.